What is a root canal? When do I need a root canal? That's a question I get every time someone has a lot of pain. What is root canal? Simply, root canal is the stage 2 after you have a decay and unfortunately you left unattended for a long time. That this decay spread inside the tooth all the way to the nerve. Now we're only left with one of two options once the nerve is affected. We do the root canal, which we open an axis, remove the decay, remove the nerve, clean and shape the canals where the nerve was previously, and then block them with a special filling and then fill your tooth. Or we will need to extract the tooth completely and you lose your tooth. And I'm sure that no one loves to lose their teeth. Problem is, people, they think it's painful procedure and they're very scared once I tell them that unfortunately we need to do a root canal. It's not just a filling. I reassure you that root canal treatment nowadays with the technology is such a simple procedure. It's a 1-hour procedure that you get done from axis to final filling. And once we give you the local anesthetic, you won't feel anything. It's as simple as a normal filling.